We set up Maagrace 4 years ago. We took on a joint venture with the owners, the former owners of Maagrace, and now Ethical Apparel have a 70% equity stake in Maagrace, and 30% are with the former owners. We employ about 500 people here, and we work for American brands, primarily brands like Walmart, Fruit of the Loom. We 95% export back to US. We don't really look at local orders, but we will do a local order if we have some spare capacity. In the past, we've also done orders for UK. So our primary function here is we import all the fabrics, all the trims, all the sundries from China, Pakistan, India. We turn it into garments here and we export it then out to the US. Primarily, that's what we do here.
These are men who have been fed by their wives, and the wife has helped me saying that thank you, Hama, for eating our food.
But it's really special for me, actually, just on a personal level. It's been years looking forward to this trip. My mom and everything she put into this foundation, all of you and how supportive you've been to me on a personal level and a professional level, and getting to connect with you every 6 months, and how interested and encouraging and wonderful you've always been has just been huge all along the way. And then to combine that with the team here and how proud I am of all of you and how hard you all work to make this vision a reality.
We have the hose machine, and then after the hose, we have highlights. After highlights, then we have the joiner, the overlock machine, the joiner.
On behalf of this incredible group of women, I know we're all very touched already, and it's just beginning today. We have been wanting to see Maagrace and to meet you all for a long time. And so we're feeling very blessed to be here.
We have been able to support other factories who can visit to learn from us. So today we are called a model factory. We are not there yet, but I think we are on the right path.
We have 71% female, so less than 30% male. We've got about 55 to 60% of our team are female, management team are female, which is a very high proportion.
Madam Lodi opening our Wellbeing Center today. So, in the name of God, the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
And we've opened this Wellbeing Centre today, which has been financed by the EAAF, which is the foundation for Maagrace, Ethical Apparel Foundation. This canteen project is 7 containers that were cut apart and put together, and we built it ourselves amongst the team, the maintenance team that work in the factory.
It's DNA on this bunga.
On behalf of Maagrace Factory Garments Limited, and on behalf of all the workers as well, as a board member, I'd like to say thank you. Edasi, Aipunyami Shramu.
I'm Deirdre Black, and I am a trustee of the Ethical Apparel Africa Foundation board. I've been to Ghana before, but this was my first time to the Maagrace factory, and it blew away any of my expectations. I first want to say what an incredibly warm welcome we received from the workers, singing and dancing and a fashion show and just dancing together, a lot of fun. The factory itself is on a much greater scale than I had imagined, and people were hard at work, which was really impressive to see. And the Wellbeing Center is spectacular. There was so much joy on the occasion of opening it up, and I think it's going to serve the Maagrace factory community really well for the years to come. So thank you so much to the workers at the factory for welcoming us, and to the people who made this possible.
We have a lot of challenges, but we have a very good team of people. We are very proud and very happy of the people from Koforidua. We train people. All management team we train ourselves. That is why the expat team are here. And it's our job to develop the local talent, offer them sustainable jobs, and that they can have a good future.